Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear location history on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. If you allow access to your location, you will enable Windows to use your device's capabilities to determine your location. And Microsoft will use your location data to improve location services. If your location service is on, your location history is stored for a limited time on this device and can be used by apps that use your location. So you need to clear your location history data from your Windows 10 device. Now I'm going to show you how to clear location history data from your Windows 10 computer. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, now click on Privacy. Now select Location. Now scroll down. Look, this is location history. Clear location history on this device. Click on Clear button. Okay. Now location history has been cleared. Now close settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.